We are racing against time. In 1896, in Olympics race 100-meter dash, the record was 12.26 seconds. The current Olympic record is 9.69 seconds. The time has reduced. The air travel time has reduced. And cooking time has reduced. And productivity has improved. Our computers are running faster than ever before. Everything is becoming fast. And we are where we are heading. If you analyze where the science is heading, the science is heading the moment I think I should get that one. That is the goal where the science is heading. Everything shortened. We are heading the moment I think I should get that one. That is the goal of the science. And that is already explained in the spiritual science already. The science is lagging behind the spirituality, the philosophy. Whatever it has said, there is a lag. Science is trying to close the gap. The gap, the fast, whatever I want to happen, I want what is preventing me now to get whatever I want is the time. The time is the only factor which is preventing me to get whatever I want in my life. The womb has, it's a monosyllable. I touched upon, I've been covering regarding the womb in the last few weeks. And Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi Sharanam Suhrata Prabhava Pralayasthanu nidhanam bijam avyayam. The nidhanam bijam avyayam. It is a seed from which, it's an inexhaustible seed. It is an unique seed. If I plant any seed in the soil, the moment the plant comes out, seed is destroyed. Whereas the womb is such a seed, everything has sprung out. Still it is intact. Everything will come, still it will remain intact. Womb, the monosyllable. Womb, it's opens up into three shapes. As it sprouts, it comes out in three branches. Ma. A means my expansion. Aapti, expansion. In the daytime, I want to expand. And in the dream is utkarsha. I want to withdraw. As I start withdrawing, I go through a phase of dream, or sometimes from the deep sleep when I am getting up, I again go through a dream phase. Utkarshana, dream. Ma means manam, the merger, in the deep sleep. I merge myself deep within, and it is called as prajna, total darkness. Not aware of anything. It is the prajna, deep sleep. Wakeful, dream and deep sleep, all common to everyone. No practice is required. In my wakeful state, I am under the pump. I am running from here to here, project to project, next appointment. I am running from one appointment to another. And I am under stress and anxiety, and whether I will miss out. I am racing. Whole life. In the daytime, I am moving from here to rushing. And why I am rushing? I am thinking that this time, the problem with the time. I may miss out on this time. Time has bound me in the daytime. I'm running from one project to another, one assignment to another, one pursuit to another, I want to do this one. I am under stress, anxiety, time has bound me. In the dream, if I am getting a good dream, I want to last. The moment the climax has come, I have woken up. About to eat a laddu in my dream, I woke up. Even in the dream, the time has destroyed my dream. And in the good dream, I want to enjoy time as. And I am going through a very bad dream, and somehow it elongated so long, I did not get up. When I get up, such a long dream. Whole night it was a dream. It's a horrible experience. That night, that dream, that time. In the dream also there is an effect of time is there. What about in the deep sleep? I went into deep sleep. No awareness of anything outside or na antar prajna na bhi prajna and prajnana ghanam. It's a total darkness. Not aware, but when I get up, I'll say, from the night to this morning, I slept like a log. I did not know anything. When I am saying that one from night to morning, there is a time is there. In the time inner clock, I am aware of that inner clock. In the deep sleep also, I won't say when I get up, I went to sleep on the 29th night or 28th night, and today is what day? I won't ask. And there is an awareness of time. How long I slept? Is it 48 hours or 24 hours? I won't ask that one. There is an awareness of inner clock is there. Inner clock, time has bound in the wakeful, dream and deep sleep. In the wakeful state, I am running from one project to another, and we say in our life, if I get complete my graduate degree, I am settled in my life. If I get a job, I am settled in my life. If I get married, I am settled in my life. If I get children, I am settled in my life. If I have properties, I am settled in my life. But in fact, nobody is settled. We are running from one project to one project, running away, running from one to another. I am never settled. I am so much of in anxiety. What will happen? What will happen? I am never settled. I am running from here to here. And the question the Shastras ask, when are you going to settle down? I don't know. I can't sit. I want to run from here to there. It says you have to settle down. When are you going to settle down? When I am going to settle down, I don't know. To settle down, what I want in my life, I myself do not know. I am running like a headless chook from here to there. You have to settle down in your life. The Om says the Supreme Lord, He is why I am in anxiety, stress. I don't remember about the past, what happened. And I am worried about the present. And tomorrow I am worried about the tomorrow, what happens. I am oscillating between the past and it should not have happened and what will happen tomorrow. I am oscillating between these and I am never settled now. I am never settled now. I am either past or the present. I don't know the future. What time holds for me. What time is holding for me, I don't know. What time I did because of my action last, I don't know. That in Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita says, Kalosmi lokakshaya krit. Sri Krishna says, I am the time. In Bhagavad Gita he says, I am the time. I put everyone bound through this one. I am the time, Kala. The Kala, I am the time. And the Sri Krishna says, I know the past. I know the present. I know the future. For him, Sri Krishna says, the past is the present. Present is the future. There is no time between. Everything is open. For him, there is no past, no present, no future. Everything is open. There is no time in between. For us, the time has bound us. Everything time. I don't know what time has holding for us. The time, he is the time, and for him past, present and future are the same. Not only he said, he has shown that one. And tomorrow is Krishna Jayanti. Yesterday I spoke about Krishna Jayanti, the importance on our life. The Krishna Jayanti, Sri Krishna showed that one. Devaki, when Krishna grew up, Devaki told him, I missed out on bringing you up. I missed out on seeing your childhood play. And I was in the prison and Yashoda had opportunity to play with you. I am missing on that one. Then the moment she said, Lord Shri Krishna became a small baby, played on her laps, gave immense joy to Devaki. And in that was the past. He brought the past to the present. What happened in the past? He showed it. And Devaki was over-raptured. And the Narada wanted to see how Lord Shri Krishna is living with, managing with 16,108 wives in Dwaraka. He wanted to test. He was in the present, and he went to one the palace where Shri Krishna was there with one wife. Shri Krishna was there. He went to another. Shri Krishna was there. He went to all. Krishna was there. Shri Krishna had multiplied himself into innumerable. In the present, he is there, multiplied everywhere. And in the future, Arjuna was petrified. What will happen in the war? And I am fighting the war. Lord Shri Krishna in the Vishwarupa revealed the cosmic form. What will happen in the future? He showed that one. He brought the future, showed the present, and in the past. The past, present and future, they become one. And that person, that is why Lord the Supreme Lord is called as Kalathita. When you become Kalathita, when you become Kalathita, there is no more anxiety in my life, no more stress in my life. I am not worried about tomorrow because I know what is happening tomorrow. Jnana is there. I am not worried about the past. And there is a jnana is there. Bliss is there. That is why Lord is called as Jnana Ananda Swarupa. The future is I know everything. Past I know. And the present I know. When I know the past, present and future, joy and knowledge dawns in. Jnana Ananda Swarupa. I am in total tranquility, total bliss. That is the foundation. It's a womb. In the outside, wakeful, dream and deep sleep, three are common. But those who dives into the fourth phase, Turiya, opens up into Nada, Bindu, Kala, Shanta, Atishanta. One, the Supreme Lord, is the Atishanta, foundation of all. There is no effect of time. There is no effect of time there. Supreme Lord is there. Ati Shanta, and from which everything has sprung out. Ati Shanta, when he is Ati Shanta and Jnana Ananda Swarupa. So, what it means for us? It says, if you want to be lead a stress-free life and anxiety-free life, if you want to be in bliss within, it is not you cannot get by surfing on the wakeful, dream and deep sleep alone. You have to dive into the fourth phase called as Turiya. When you dive deep within, you also become calm, serene, and you become settled. You are settled. I am enjoying the present moment. I am enjoying. Otherwise, I am never in joy in the present moment. I am worried about the future or the regret of the past. When I go deep within, I am settled. The effect of time is minimized. The great seers, they are called as Trikala Darshi. Great seers also, who have contemplated on the Lord this way, they also acquired these qualities. They know when you go in front of them, they can tell your past. They can read your future. They can tell you. They know what is going to happen, past, present and future. Contemplating on this dimension of Om helps us to settle down in life.